What's up everyone? Welcome to another video by Math Boulevard. In this video, I will be demonstrating how to use Pythagorean Theorem to solve for a missing length of two right triangles. In the formula a squared plus b squared equals c squared, c must always represent your hypotenuse. This is always opposite of the 90-degree angle. A and b can be assigned to either of the other two lengths. In this triangle, we are solving for the hypotenuse. I will first input my known numbers into the equation. In order to isolate c, I will need to take the square root of both sides. After calculations, I know my c value is 6.7 centimeters. In this triangle, I'm solving for a length that is not my hypotenuse. I will first assign letters to each length of the triangle. 7 centimeters is my hypotenuse because it is opposite of the 90-degree angle. I will then assign 4 centimeters as A and the unknown as B. I will then input my known numbers into the equation. I now need to isolate B, so I will take 16 and move it to the other side of the equal sign. When doing that, positive 16 becomes negative 16. I now need to take the square root of both sides to isolate b. After calculation, I know my unknown length is 5.7 centimeters. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you, please drop a like and hit that subscribe button.